Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you my heart cycle that I created. Here, let me try to expand this so you can get a better view of everything. So this is my Google Classroom. It's for fourth grade science, and first I have all of the things listed under assignments and worksheets because this whole thing is an assignment worksheet. So you just click on this, and then you go to where I have the heart cycle work, which is where it all begins. And oh, that's the student view. So I wrote, watch this PowerPoint I've talked you through and take notes along the way. Post your notes into the discussion box below and be prepared to discuss the topic tomorrow in class. And then I put the standard that we're covering, which is this one, as you can see. So yes, so that's how I covered the standard. And then my lesson is obviously this PowerPoint. So basically just give you a little view through here. So it says the human heart. We have what is the heart? It's an organ, talk about an organ, and then here I encourage them to once again write down their notes in other little notes that they have. And then I have the types of organs and what the heart does, and just this is my lesson. This, how the heart pumps blood through the body, how it does this because it's a muscular organ. And then I review at the very end. So I review, and I also encourage them. I have a little voice memo that I did with this. And
Review what we've just learned.
I encourage them to write the 4 sentences down in their notes. And then for the activity that I included, it's nothing crazy, but I basically just asked them to turn in a picture of the notes they took throughout. And I just encourage them to make them unique and, colorful and just however they personally want them to look and how, what note style would help them learn best. So Then I asked them to turn in whatever notes they take into the little turn-in box that I can't see because I have the teacher view, but they can see it, and they'll be turned in here. So then they turn in their notes, and then I have the quiz. And so they'll go back out, and they'll see Heart Cycle Mini Quiz. It's the very top one, or it's also in the assessments turn-in because it is technically an assessment. So they'll go to the Heart Cycle Mini Quiz, and we'll click on that. And then they'll answer the questions. So form, circulates, I think there's 6 questions, so nothing crazy. Just to kind of like review of what they know to make sure that they know everything. So yes. So then they'll take this and they'll submit that, and then they'll get their score. Hopefully I got 100. But yeah, so that is my assignment where I concluded the standard and the classwork and the little interaction thing by turning in their notes, and then the assessment. So there you go.